Alright, so for this first challenge, it's very simple. What you're required to do is to hook up Bitfinity network configuration to your MetaMask, and I'm going to be showing how you do that. Okay, and secondly, we're going to load it up with some free test ethers. So I'm going to jump into the my machine here, and then I'll show you step by step how you do that, and you are required to do the same. Okay, so now once you finish exactly the same thing that I did, okay, your work is to take some snapshots, take a picture of what you've done, take the wallet that you loaded that free ether, and fill up the form in the description section, below this video. So you fill up that form and then you submit. Once we look at it and you actually did that, then we're going to send you the free book. But then you should know that you must have registered for Dapp Mentors. You just need to register, nothing, just register, sign up, so that same email of yours that you're signing up, we're going to use that email to send you your book. Okay, your book will be made available on the Dapp Mentors page, Academy page, so that you can utilize it. So, but you need to first register with that same email that you're using to fill the form below. Use that same email address to register on Dapp Mentors Academy. Once you do that, then fulfill the terms and obligations that is associated with this particular challenge. Once you do that, submit, then we will take note of your work, and then we will make that book available for you to download from the website itself for free. So that is what you need to do in this first set of the challenge. So after you've done this, then you are qualified to actually benefit from the next one, which will be like a 1 free month of Dapp Mentors, access to our courses and all of that. Okay, and then the third one, the price for the third one will be a 3 free months interaction and use of the Dapp Mentors Academy, and you have access to all of those things. Just know that the foundation for you to access the upcoming challenges, the prize that's associated with them, you have to make sure that you did do this one first. Okay, this is a requirement. All right, so with that said, I believe that you understand all that we need done about this. I'm glad, so let's jump into the illustration aspect of this video. So I'll see you in this tutorial. So right now I'm here on my MetaMask account, and when we check on this drop list of network that I've added, these are all my test networks, and these are all main network. You can see that we don't have any Bitfinity network right here. Okay, we need to add that, and the first step we need to do to easily do that, you can come to this website called chainlist.org, and Chainlist allows you to add the configuration automatically into MetaMask without you doing it manually. So you can just use any one of these attach any one of the networks that you want. So for example, all you need to do is to search for Bitfinity. Okay, and okay, this isn't very much optimized to search, but what you can do is to do Chainlist Bitfinity network. Okay, so let's search through that. Okay, you can see Bitfinity network, test RPC, Chainlist, chain settings. So you click on this. All right, so it takes you directly to that. You can see Bitfinity network right there. This is the symbol, this is the chain ID, and you can see this is basically the RPC server that is available. Is only one for this particular one. So there are some other networks that have so many, but these have only one. Okay, so these are all the configuration you need. All you then need to do is to click on this connect network or connect wallet, sorry, and MetaMask. Okay, let's connect with this first one. Now we have this connected. Okay, can see add to MetaMask. So you click on add to MetaMask to have that be part of the network list that you have. You can see all the information that is needed to add it as a network. So you click on approve and then you switch to that network. So right now you are on that network. Okay, you can see that. So I actually do have up to 15 BFTs in this particular wallet address. You can see that right here. Okay, and I had done transactions with them while I was developing this particular tutorial, this set of tutorials that you're going to be watching pretty soon. And watch here, you can see here now that Bitfinity network, network testnet has been added here. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is to add some test ethers onto this wallet. So you just need to copy this wallet address, or you come here. I think I've already connected my wallet before, so I'm going to disconnect. Make sure I disconnect this by coming here. All the connected accounts, I disconnect them so that I could start from scratch. Okay, so I will say I want to mint some test token. So when I click on this mint, you see this, you come to bitfinity.network/faucet. Okay, and you click on mint token. They say you connect your MetaMask. You do connect, and you select the wallet address that you want to mint to. Okay, in the network that you're choosing. So I'm going to choose this. Okay, or let's choose this one here. This one that has 15 BFTs. I'm going to choose this one, and then let me mint this now. And I want you to watch what we had before. What we had before was 15 BFTC token minted successfully. You understand? You can see the amount of token has increased because it's been sent to me just that. And you can actually do this, multiple times. Since it's not very much, yet popular chain. It's permitted to give you as multiple times of BFTs, unlike other chains that limit you. This doesn't limit you, so you have up to this amount. So if you've done this, all you need to do now is to take some snapshots, such as you come here, you can take snapshot. I'm going to show you example. You take a snapshot of your entire screen, okay, and boom, you understand that this is what you will use. This particular picture, you will use it to present as a proof of what you did, and make sure that this address is exactly the same thing that you entered in the space that is provided for address. Please take note, the form is down below in the description region. That is where you get access to the form. So you just do that when you send us this thing, and you made sure that you registered on Dapp Mentors Academy, then with the same email address that you're using for the both form and all of that, then you are qualified to receive our free book right here. This book, let's come to our current website. Massive upgrade are coming, so be ready for it. So let me show you the book you get for doing that simple instruction. Okay, this is the book that you get. You get this book, right? So you get this book for free. Okay, so you doing that, you get this book for free. And I know many people are going to get these things for free. Okay, but know that the limitations, we're targeting 300 people, so you better get this thing as quick as possible. So that is all you need to know regarding this particular challenge. So hopefully that wasn't very difficult for you to understand. You see how simple that particular task was. So that is just task 1, and we're going to also do task 2 and 3, and then that will be it. So as you're watching the tutorial, you're partaking in the tax, and you're winning as well some good, prizes and all of that. Everything win-win for you. All right, so that's it for this particular task. I will see you in the next task. My name is Darlington Gospel, and this is Dapp Mentors. Okay, please hit that like and subscribe button with the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.